first impression of the welding robot?
The quality and the consistency of the welds that it makes. Once you get it dialed in, it's the same weld every time with the same quality and consistency.
How do you think it compares to manual welding?
It's head over heels better, more efficient, more production, and like I said, the quality is amazing.
So you think you prefer the SWR over welding manually?
Absolutely.
Absolutely. Now that you're familiar with the robot, how do you feel about using it?
Completely comfortable. There's no problems at all. It's once you get the hang of it, it's easy to use.
How was your experience training at Novark?
Oh, it was outstanding. They provided excellent training.
After the training week, do you feel comfortable operating the robot?
Absolutely.
How do you feel about the support from Novark?
Oh, it's outstanding. They're top notch.
Thank you.